Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the air filter, which is located in the airbox right here. So the first thing we're going to do is actually go ahead and unclip the mass airflow sensor connection like that, and then we're going to pull this pipe off of that clip there. You'll then notice there's 3 clips along the back. You're just going to unclip each of those, and then you can actually rotate the lid straight off, and that exposes our filter. So nice and easy, fins facing down, and this is what our filter looks like. So when you've got your new filter, or you've cleaned this one and also cleaned inside the box, then you can go ahead and put the new one back in. It's going to be a bit hard to do one-handed, so I'm just going to show you the camera like that. So we're going to slide the new filter in, making sure it seats down all the way around. And then we're going to get the lid back under this pipe here, rotate it into these clips, back down, do the 3 clips up, click this pipe back in, and then connect the mass airflow sensor back on, and making sure you push in the locking tab. So that's how easy it is to remove and replace the air filter or cleaner on a 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor, and this is the 2-litre diesel bi-turbo engine. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.